Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll show you a step-by-step tutorial how to create this golden eye makeup look. So as you all know, the wedding season is around the corner and this eye look is so versatile and universal that you can pull this off with any outfit. So now let's see how to create this very beautiful glittery golden eye makeup look. Now firstly, I'm using some sticky tape in the outer corner to get that sharp edge. And I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette to create this very beautiful eye look. Firstly, I'm going to take sandalwood and this is going to be my transition color. And with a blending brush, I'm going to blend this out a little above my crease. Next up, I'm going to use the shade Henna to deepen the transition color. And I'm also going to keep this closer to my crease because I want to deepen my crease with this color. And I'm going to blend this out with the transition color to give me that gradient. And now I'm using black truffle, which is a black color, on the outer corner, and I'm slowly packing this color onto the outer lid as well as blending it out with a small blending brush to deepen my outer corner. Next up, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to carve out the area where I want to cut the crease. And while this concealer is still sticky, I'm going to set it with this 24K shade, which is a very beautiful golden metallic eyeshadow. And I'm going to cover the entire concealed area with this golden color. Now I'm going to add more black color on the outer corner just to deepen it even more and to give that edgy and big eye effect. And now comes my favorite part, which is to add glitter. And for that, I'm using this Swiss Beauty Metallic Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Golden Goddess 01. And firstly, I'm going to very lightly apply it on my crease. And then I'm going to apply it on my lid area, where I've applied the golden eyeshadow. And now I'm taking off this tape and you can see that straight edge. I absolutely love how that straight edge forms. Without much work, the tape does all the work for you. And now coming to the liner, I am using this Color Bar Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Black, and I am applying a very thin, precise eyeliner. And now using the Maybelline Colossal Kajal, I'm tightlining my lower and upper waterline. And now using some more black eyeshadow, I am going to thicken up my lower lash line, which gives that illusion of bigger eyes, and I am going to join this line with the top lash line. Now using the Moon Dust from the same palette, I am highlighting my inner corners as well as the brow bones. And now I'm curling my eyelashes with an eyelash curler. And using the Volume Million Lashes Mascara by L'Oreal, I am coating my upper and lower lashes. And here I am not applying any falsies, but if you want to, then you can. And yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you like this look. It's very simple yet so elegant and versatile. You can rock this with any outfit, especially the Indian wear. And for your convenience, I've listed all the product details into the description box below. So please check that out and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more such videos. I will see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.